Hello students, welcome to Friday session of class 5 day and night seasons. Day night and seasons are changing because of atmospheric changes that general science we are knowing, general geography. Dear friends, every day we see sun rising and setting, but time of rising and setting of the sun is not same every day. In our house, one panchang is there. In panchang, we can see that the sun rising time is given there 6:15, sun setting time is given at 6:18, 6:30. Sun rising time is given differently. So according to that, it is variations are coming. We have prepared various notes on my observation in June and my observation 2 in September and my observation 3 in December. So this all the time you can note it down from your house calendar, which is lying there. In your house, one calendar will be there. Rising time and date you can note it down. It is a practical work and it is my homework for you. Out of this all observation, if you consider which is the earliest one, that you have to put it down in your observation. Earliest one will come near 6:10 to 6:20. Note the time of sunset and sunrise. Then likewise you can fill the details in the color. Time of sunrise in the morning and time of sunset in the evening, which hours it is rising and which hours it is ending. Afterwards, your first observation and second observation, you can give the differences between these 2 points. During this table 1 and during this table 2, you can differentiate. You can differentiate between these 2 points or 2 topics. Friends, like sun, we cannot see moon every night. The moon's part is divided into the two phases. One is dark fortnight and one is bright fortnight. If we consider this dark fortnight and bright fortnight, we can get many idea of it, which is also called Andharyu and Ajvalyu. Similarly, 2 tables are given, table 1 and difference, table 2 and difference, table 3 and difference. The moon size is slowly decreasing. What we can say? Moon size is slowly decreasing. When the days are long, what type of clothes do we wear and why? This is our one of observation. When days are long, what type of clothes we don't wear? Why? Because of increase of heating. Nowadays it is a winter time. During the winter time, majority of us are having a cold wave, so we wear woolen clothes. But during the summer time it is different, we feel heat. When the days are short, what kind of clothes do we wear? That is also a one observation. Then The continuous questions are given. When the days are short, which clothes we should not wear? What type of clothes do we wear in the September? Why? What type of clothes can be worn in all the seasons? And according to the season, what shall we do next sessions for vegetables, commonly eating vegetables and different from the other one, that also we can put down. In our next whole session, we will go through these points, that what we are continuing for eating purpose according to the seasons. I remain here. Please read well and complete my homework also, what I give you from the observation of calendar.